So I use the app and this phone here to keep track of the dogs. Right now they're in there sitting on the bed. One of them's chewing on a bone, and they're not supposed to be, but this is one of the ways that I use the camera so I can track this girl whenever she's in there sleeping on the bed. And this guy's not supposed to be in there at all, and he's certainly not supposed to be chewing on a bone in there. So the thing is, if you walk down the hallway, he'll scoot off the bed, and that bone will be on the floor. So this way, we caught him in the act. These are magnetic, so I just have it mounted to the ceiling or the vent that's up on the above the door, and he hears me talking, and he thinks I'm coming in there to get him. So pretty good use of these cameras and the phone that I use in here to monitor the camera. Hope this helps.